Hey, Julian Kraus here, and I have heard that the Rode AI audio interface has a very good noise performance. So here I am checking out the preamp noise of the Rode AI, and I'm comparing it to a Roland Capture Duo X. So let's start with the Rode AI. In my tests, the AI got an equivalent input noise of -130 dBu. This is an impressively low amount of noise created by the preamps in this interface. And the Roland Capture Duo X interface comes in at around -125.5 dBu, which is also a pretty decent noise performance. At this point, I shortly have to stress that my testing methodology is a bit different than the one used by Roland and Rode. So my measured equivalent input noise is not comparable with the manufacturer's specs, just so that you know. Okay, as you can see from these numbers, the Rode AI has about 4.5 decibels less noise than the Roland Capture Duo X. And here is how this difference in noise sounds like. Both recordings are amplified by the same amount so that you can hear the noise clearly. Other than that, there is no additional processing done. Now, you heard the difference in noise, but the big question is, how does this difference manifest itself in the real world? Well, if you're using a condenser microphone, there will be no appreciable difference in noise between these two interfaces. That's because the noise created by a condenser microphone itself is normally higher than the amount of noise created by the preamp in either of these audio interfaces. So when using a condenser microphone, your noise performance is limited by the mic itself. But if you work with dynamic microphones, the Rode AI will have a lower noise floor in comparison to the Capture Duo X. That's because dynamic mics mostly have a very low self-noise and they need a high amount of gain, and this brings out the noise floor of the preamp. So when using a dynamic mic, you will benefit from the better noise performance of the Rode AI. In the end, I can confirm that the Rode AI has an excellent noise performance, and it is nice to see that the preamp can provide low noise recordings, regardless which type of microphone you use. Okay, hope this helps, and I see you in the next one.